Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download specific folders or files from GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you're working on a project and only need certain components instead of cloning an entire repository, saving you time and storage space. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where all your repositories and activity are displayed. Now look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository that contains the specific folder you want to download. This will open up the repository's main page, showing you all the files and folders within it. Next, browse through the repository structure and click on the folder you want to download. This opens that particular folder, displaying all the files contained inside. Take a moment to ensure this is exactly what you need before proceeding. Now here's a crucial step. Navigate to the top of your browser where the URL link is located. Click on it to highlight the entire link, then copy it. This URL is essential because it points directly to the specific folder you want to download, not the entire repository. With that link copied, open a new tab in your web browser. In the address bar, type download-directory.github.io and press enter. This is a third-party tool specifically designed to help you download individual folders from GitHub repositories, something GitHub doesn't natively support. Once the page loads, you'll see a text field prominently displayed. Paste the URL link you copied earlier into this text field. After pasting it, press enter on your keyboard to start the download process. The tool will begin fetching the specific folder you selected. While the download is processing, navigate to the upper right corner of your browser window. Here you'll see the download progress indicator. Once the download is complete, click the Show in Folder button that appears. This will open your File Explorer and take you directly to where the folder was saved on your computer. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a specific folder from GitHub without having to download the entire repository. This method is perfect for when you need just a portion of a project or want to quickly access specific files without unnecessary clutter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.